If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can block the Microsoft Copilot into your Edge browser. In my last video I've already made video how you can block the Copilot in your Microsoft 365 applications if you are using your mobile devices. So if you are working in a regulated environment where regulation is coming or any then you must be thinking to block the AI or Copilot in your Microsoft application or any other application so that data can be safe for now until you determine how you can protect that data so that data cannot be exposed to the over the internet. So let's first understand what is actually Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is similar like chatgpt, right? It's and it can be accessed in the Microsoft Edge sidebar, right? It's Edge browser sidebar. User sign in with Microsoft Intra account, receive the enterprise data protection, right? So as soon as you sign into the Edge browser with your corporate credentials, all the DLP, everything will policy will get applied to your Edge browser. The Copilot, there is no doubt Copilot in Edge or Office 365 or any application will enhance the data security and privacy, but at the same time we want to protect the data or understand the data, how much data and how the data can be exposed over the internet. So how you can how you can disable the Copilot so that the data cannot be shared outside or with the Microsoft, right? So with the Copilot in Edge, browsing context can help our users to inform their prompt, so Copilot can provide a more relevant response, right? So this is actually very good. Now maybe you're thinking how data loss prevention is enforced with the Copilot in Edge. So Edge for Business come with the native capabilities for enforcing data loss prevention, right? And this way your organization approach to prevent unauthorized data disclosure automatically extend to the Copilot in Edge. As you know, you can configure this policy using there are many other methods like Microsoft Preview, Intune Mobile App Protection Policy, which is I am gonna show you in this here how you can block, right? And the Microsoft Defender for cloud application as well. So when using Copilot in Edge with the DLP policies like app protection policies here, right? To access any protected applications which is actually restricted, your user can't copy or paste, right? Content protected by the DLP policy or app protection policy, and user cannot summarize the protected contents using Copilot in Edge. And we have, being as admin, we have the capability to block the Copilot from receiving sensitive files through the files upload feature. So how we can manage that, how we can protect that, how we can block the Copilot being as admin into the Edge browser or O365 portal, O365 application, Microsoft Office applications, I'm gonna show you. For Office applications, you must go and watch my video. I've already made video how we can protect. In this video, I'm just sharing how you can protect, how we can block the Copilot in Edge browser. So what you have to do, you have to go to the app section here and go to the app protection policy, app configurations policy, right? So you see I have already created block Copilot in O365 application. Similar like you can create for managed devices or managed apps based on your choice, right? So if you applying for the managed applications, you want to block for everyone, so I'm just block Copilot in Microsoft Edge browser app, right? As mobile browser app. I'm just selecting the application. Based on your choice, you can select manage devices. So I'm selecting all Microsoft application or core Microsoft application, whatever you want to do. If you want to do for the managed devices, right, you don't want to select for, then you have to select the iOS, right? And then managed devices normally the company owned devices, or if you are using traditional, suppose I have this one Office 365, so I cannot see the Edge browser here. So what you have to do, you have to first deploy this application Edge browser. So let's go to the applications, go to iOS and add one applications here, which is iOS store applications, right? Select the applications as it will show. So make sure the application is there, and you see here I'm just clicking next. I will apply to all the devices. So I'm sure you already have the Edge application published, either from as a BPP applications or as a Android applications, Android enterprise, or as a iOS application, whatever you want to prefer. Now you go to here and go to the app configurations profile, select the managed device, give the name, right? Select the iOS or Android. If you want to apply for Android enterprise, you can select this any fully managed all profile or personal one. So I'm just selecting for iOS, select the here as, right? Now earlier it was not showing, right? Only it was showing because I've just published the Edge application. Now I've selected Edge browser targeted. I just want to apply these configurations to the Edge browser. So what you have to do in the settings, in the settings we have to copy this, right? So I will select the configuration designer. You can also select the XML data if you want, right? I just want to use configuration designer and paste it here, right? And select the string, right? And I will say false. So this is for the Edge browser, right? You have to select the string and it should be value should be false, right? So what is this com.microsoft intune.mem.manage browser.chat, right? Click next. You want to apply to all the devices or all users based on your choice, you can select it. This is how you can block the Copilot in mobile app browsers. So this is the great thing, you can do it from here. You can block the Copilot in Microsoft 365 Office application and as well as the Edge browser. So I have already made video, go and watch. Till then, thank you, have a good day.